Hey, so welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you, big thank you for the love you showed on my first video. I didn't expect that much views for a first video and for a first timer, so thank you very much. If you want to know how I created this look, keep watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification button to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, guys, and thank you so much again. Next time, bye. Okay, so just to save time, I already done my. I'm going to start my right eye. That's where I'll be showing you. So I'm going to be using my concealer just to blend in the concealer I applied initially for my eyebrows. Just going to blend that in here, bring it down. Make sure I blend it in properly. We don't want any harsh lines, we don't want any crack from our eyeshadow, so blend it out properly. So we're done. Now I'm going to be going in with this Glitz and Glam eyeshadow palette, All Eyes on Me. Yeah, that's it, Glitz and Glam. She sent me a whole lot of stuff, eyeshadow, eyelashes. In fact, it's awesome, and her products are quite affordable compared to other products, Nigerian products. They are affordable, and she's doing this Easter giveaway. You should check out her Instagram page. I'll put her name below, so you check her out. She's doing these awesome giveaways, and she has this awesome magnetic makeup brushes. Oh my god, they are awesome. You should check out her page. I'll leave her page name below, so you check it out. So I'm going to be using her eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in, this is my transition color. This I'll be going in with that first. That's my transition color. Dust a little bit out and you work it in, blend it. Since we are doing a cut crease, sometimes it's messy, I can tell you, doing this, but you know you're going to clean it out very soon. So just blend in transition color, just a little bit more, dust it off. You don't want to blow out the excess eyeshadow on your brush because you might get saliva on it. You don't want that. Seriously, you don't want that. So I'm going in with this. Just smoothing everything out and blend it to give it this gradient look. The secret of eyeshadow application is the gradient effect it gives. So going back in with this dark brown, it's a dark brown on my outer V. Just a little bit more. That's it. So I'm going back in with concealer to give it the cut crease look. I'm using this Maybelline, or am I correct? Yeah, Maybelline Maybelline concealer. That's Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 30 Cafe. I hope I'm correct. I've had it for a long time, so I'm just going to be putting that on my eyelid. probably want to go a little bit higher. This is just to make my eyelid a little bit bigger, and yeah, more space for eyeshadow. So I'll just pat that in. I prefer using concealer to do the cut crease because it's easier for me. Most of the NYX Jumbo pencil is the milk is a bit thick, so it doesn't help spread it out a little bit more. So that's done. So I'm going to be using this. Oh my days! I don't know if you can see it. I can't even see it. This yellow color. I doubt. Yeah, that's it. The two yellow colors on my eyelid. This Tara eyeshadow palette in Margaret April. Yeah, I got it. So I'll be mixing two of them together. Sometimes just go one with the other color. Just pat that in. I'm going in with only the yellow now. Going in with the other one, mustard yellow color. The other color is the proper yellow, then one is the mustard yellow. So I'm going back again with two of them. Mixing two of them gives it that kind of lemon color. I don't know what to say. I think it's lemony kind of color, or mustard, more mustard yellow. I call it mellow yellow. Okay, so done that. Good. Now that's done. Going back in with this. Just to give the darker brown I used there a little bit of like a same gradient effect, like so have a starting point and ending point, so lighter then they get to the darker. I'll go back with the darker one again at the just to give it more intensity. Okay, that is done. I'll be going in with a clear brush just to blend everything in. Make sure we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, so that's done. I'm going to be lining my eye with this L'Oreal liner. It's not gonna show. It's this L'Oreal Infallible liner in Blackest Black. And it has this applicator, so I'll just be using it to do a wing liner. Everybody has different ways of doing their liner, but this is how I do mine. The easy way, the wing liner, is a struggle. It's a struggle, so we'll just do that and I didn't want to talk, so I'll get it right. Oh my goodness, the struggle is real. So I'll just go back in to make it pop more. Okay. That's done, and I'm going to line my waterline with MAC eyeliner in Black Ice. So I'm gonna use, I've been saying so much. I'm using Glitz and Glam Lash World eyelashes. These lashes like Betty Pop. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm using this one. If I use this one, you won't see the effect and everything, so I just use this. This is a 2-in-1 pack, and I have the single one too. And believe me when I say, when you wash it for some of the gold glitter and the cover of the glitter. And I'm using NYX, is that? No, Benign Glitter Glue, sorry. Few drops of it into the lash. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. I think that's 6 drops if you want to be precise. Going in with an angle brush. Going back with my lash and my tweezers. You could use your fingers to hold it or tweezers. I'm still practicing how to use tweezers to hold them because I don't know. I don't like using tweezers to hold them. So I'll just place them. See, I still went back with my fingers. Start with the middle, place it in the end, and then the front. Sometimes lashes have a mind of theirs. I can tell you that. You want them to stay put in a place and they go all over the place. So why I like this lash glue, it's white and it's clear, some sort of. So when I apply it and it touches the eyeshadow, within minutes it dries up and it's clear. You don't see any stain or anything on the lashes. So that's why I like it. So I'll let that stay on before I go back with my mascara. It's still L'Oreal Infallible Mascara, the 2-step. It has the white, it elongates and gives your lashes volume. That's if you don't want to use lashes and you want your lashes to be full and elongated. Then it has the black. So it's this blackest black. That's the step 2. So I'm going to be doing my bottom lashes. She also sent me bottom lashes falsies, but I don't even know why I have a phobia for contact lenses and all those kind of things. Once I have to put it, I can't. So I went ahead and did my foundation and every other thing off camera. So this is the finished look. there. Then I went back with this eyeshadow with this pointy brush under my eye. On my waterline I used this one right here, just a little bit. I smudged it under my waterline. There you go. And I think it's chestnut or something. And NYX Umber Lip Duo in, let me get the name, ginger and nutmeg. Yeah, so I just used the lighter part on my lip, and I went in with this is L'Oreal Color Rich Lip Gloss in Rich Pink. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, that's it. Rich Pink. Oh, it's not showing. But I'll put everything I used off camera in the description box. Don't forget to check Glitz and Glam Lash. What I'm mixing up the name on Instagram, but I'll put it on the description box. She's doing this Insta giveaway. So in fact, she has lots of products that are very nice and affordable. Thank you.